Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the types of function available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Function with no argument and with return value. So fourth type of function category, there is no argument but return value is available. We know that we have main program in C language and subprograms are available. The functions is also known as subprogram. This is a function. This is a main program. In main program we can call the function. The repeatedly executed instruction can be put in the function. Whenever we need, we can call the function. So while calling the function, we can send the parameters, arguments to the function. Similarly, the function will return the value. Normally the function will return only one value. So based on that, this fourth category, we are not sending any argument to the function, but the function will return the value. So fourth category. The other category separate videos are available. So in this prototype, the calling function means the function available in the main program. This is calling function. Cannot pass any argument to the called function. This is the called function definition. But the called program may send some return value to the calling function, not some return value, only one return value to the calling function, right? So we are not passing any argument, but the function will return the value. So this is the fourth category. So this is a main program available. There are set of instructions are available in the main program. This lines indicate some set of instruction available. In that we are calling this function. C equal to function 1. We are without any arguments we are calling the function because it is coming under no argument. So this line indicate it is function calling. So this function we are not passing any argument, but we know that it will return the value. So that value will be stored in the variable C. So function with return value means definitely we have some variable here. Then only the return value will be stored here. Otherwise will not store. So C equal to function 1 means we are calling the function 1. The function will perform particular task and return one value. That value will be stored here. So while calling this function, the control is transferred to the function declaration. This is a definition, function definition. We are not passing any input. So what are the inputs? What are the parameters we need? We need to declare here inside the function. That is called local variables. Then we can perform certain instructions. Then it will return the value. Return Z. Then the control will transfer to again main program. The return value will be stored in C, variable C, right? So we are calling the function without argument. Then the control will transfer to the function definition. It will perform particular task and return one value. That value will be stored in the variable C. Now we'll see the one example program so that we are able to understand clearly. We'll see the program for addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of two numbers. First we'll include the header files. Standard input output.h, console input output.h. Before going to the main program, we need to declare the function. This is called function declaration. Function declaration having three parameters. What is the return type? What is the function name? What are the parameters? Here the return type is integer. Function name is addition. No arguments are available. So this addition function will not pass any argument and it will return the integer variable. So all these things are declared here. Similarly, we are declaring one more function, subtraction. The return type is integer. It's not having any arguments. So two functions are declared here. Before the main program we are declaring. Just we are telling what is the name of the function, what type of data it will return, whether any arguments are there or not. If arguments are there, what is the type of data. These are all available in the function declaration. Then we will start the main program. So here we are declaring two variables, sum and subtraction. The sum is, now our aim is to add two numbers and subtract two numbers. The sum of two number answer is stored in sum. The subtracted two number answer is stored in sub. So after clear screen, we need to enter we are calling the two function because here no arguments are available. Just we are calling the function. right? We are not going to pass any variable. So the inputs are not needed here. Only these two are outputs. Sum equal to addition. Without any argument, we are calling the function. Now the control will transfer to integer addition. So both should be matched. Here also parameters not available. Here also parameters not available. The function name is addition. But it will return the variable. It will return the value integer. Right. So sum equal to addition means the control will transfer to this function definition. Inside the function, what are the things we need? We need to declare. Here the parameter arguments are not available. So we need to add two numbers. So we need two variables. Answer should be stored in another variable. So we are declare A, B, C. A, B is the two numbers. C is the added two numbers are stored in C. What are the things we needed is declared. So we ask the user to enter two numbers. Printf enter two numbers. So the user will enter two numbers using scanf. We can scan the numbers. Percentage D indicates is the integer value. And A and B means address of A, address of B. The entered number will store in address of A and address of B. So our aim is to add this number. So C equal to A plus B. Two numbers are added and stored in variable C. Now this C is returned to the main function. Return C means the control again will transfer to this addition. The C value, the return C, the C is stored in sum. Right? So sum addition means control will transfer to the function definition. We declare three variables. We ask the user to enter two variables. These two variables are added and stored in the third variable C. That value is returned. So the control is transferred to again to main program. The returned value will be stored in sum. Now again we are calling one more program. Sub equal to subtraction. So what will happen? The control will go to the function subtraction. Now it will go to function subtraction. So from here the control will go to subtraction. So this function also not having any argument. So both should be matched. We are not passing any argument. Here also no argument. Right. Then the return type is integer. Very similar to previous. Here also we have declared three variables. X, Y, Z. X, Y is the two inputs, two numbers. Y is the answer. We are going to subtract these two numbers and going to store in Z. Printf. We ask the user to enter two numbers. Using scanf statement, we can scan the two numbers. Percentage D indicates integer type. And X and Y means address of X, address of Y. Enter two numbers are stored in X and Y. So subtraction, so Z equal to X minus Y. It's not plus X minus Y. Both are subtracted and stored in Z. Return Z. So this is also not correct. Return Z. Right? This is return Z. Semicolon. So the control will transfer to this function, transfer to this subtraction. The Z value now stored in sub. The subtracted two numbers are available in the variable Z. That is returned by the function that will be stored in sub. So the sum of two numbers are available in sum. Subtraction of two numbers are available in sub. So this is the function. Whenever we need, we can call this function. That is the advantage of no need to write this instruction inside the main program. Repeatedly we are using to add two numbers mean we can use this function. Whenever we need adding two number, we can call this function. That is the main advantage. Now answer available in sum and sub, addition and subtraction, that is printed. Printf addition is percentage D sum. The sum is available in variable sum. Similarly, printf subtraction, the subtracted value is available in sub. So these two values are printed. After get ch, we can close the program. So in this video, we discuss the fourth type of function prototype, function without any arguments and return value. We are not sending any value to the program function, but the function will return the value. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.